All right, here's some quiz prep for you. I'm going to post a little quiz. It's going to have a little bit of stuff like this. And then maybe, just maybe, draw a picture and find a value for me. I think just for the first part is going to be super simple like this. I will put some sort of triangle in there and have you find out the ratios, but not go ahead and write them out in decimal form. This is the only thing that's going to be in decimal form for the quiz that I'm going to post tomorrow. So it says, and I quote, find the ratio to the nearest hundredth of the following, and there they are. Tangent of 40. You're going to take your phone, okay? Hopefully you have an iPhone or a phone that has a calculator that has the sine, cosine, and tangent functions. Make sure that you're in degree mode, all right? That's going to be another thing altogether. But on this iPhone, it has the word rad down there on the bottom. If you hit rad, it says it up here, right? But we don't want to be in radian mode. We don't want it to say rad up there. We want it to be in degree mode. We want it to read rad down there because that's how you change over to that function. All right, there's your first clue. The second thing is it says find the tangent of 40 degrees. Well, on this type of phone, when you're doing it like this and you have that function, you type 40 and then you hit the tangent function and it gives you a decimal version. All right, and we want to go to the nearest hundredth. So this is 0.83909. All right, so I'm going to say it's 0.83909, etc. All right, but I want to round to the nearest hundredth. There's the hundredths place right there. And so I take my googly eyes and I look back here. Ooh, I look at that guy right there. There's my big nose. And I look here and I say, oh, well, this is 5 or greater, so I'm going to need to round this up. So don't make fun of me, please. All right, there you go. There's your answer. All right, so we're going to move on. Clear that out. Let's say, what's the cosine of 51? So I'll type 51 and then hit cosine. And it says 629,320. I'm sure you can not read that because it's all blurry and shiny, but I'm going to write it out. Actual value 0.62932, etc. All right, again, take my googly eyes. I'm looking because I want to round here. I look right there, and this is 5 or greater, so I'm going to round up 0.63. There I go. So far, so good. Last but certainly not least, we want the sine of 12 degrees, so I put in my 12, I hit sine, and it says 0.207, 207,911, etc., etc. And I want to round to this digit here, so I guess I take my googly eyes and look right there, and it's 5 or greater, so we're going to do 0.21. All right, that's the first part.